on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today you guys already know what we're gonna do, and that is hit up some vending machines, refill some vending machines. Like always, you guys already know the drill. Already got the truck loaded up and my route is already planned out for the day. Hopefully we can hit up about like 7 locations. That's the goal today. I already had my coffee because without my coffee I don't think I can make this video right now. So we're all set and ready to go. See you guys in the car. Alright, I pretty much never eat breakfast in the morning, but I'm actually kind of hungry today, and I'm gonna go to good old Chick-fil-A and pick up some breakfast and then get on with the day. Just like that, Chick-fil-A's gone. It was great, but now it's time to go to Sam's Club again. I'm not gonna spend near as much as yesterday. I'll probably spend about 100 to 150 range. Also, I need to get gas too. Your boy's on E. Spent $112.76 today. Not even half of yesterday, so pretty good. Let's get on it. For all you guys that want to know the gas price, I spent $26.72 and I filled up my tank. I got 13 gallons. On to location 1, and it's already like 10:30. I just got to location 1. See how she does. Alright, that location did pretty good. Now it's on to the next one. Hopefully I can film in there. Sorry I did not film in there, but here is the money that I pulled out. I couldn't film in there because there's teachers. Anytime I don't film in a place, it's because there's teachers in there. So here's a stack, maybe $40. Now on to location numero tres. I didn't film in that location. There was teachers all in the teachers lounge, so I couldn't, but I'll show you guys the money here when I stop, once I get to location 4, and hopefully I can film in there. Here's the money from the last location. Maybe $30 to $40 I'd guess, but let's see what this one does. This is a smaller machine, so this is only a 3 wide machine, so let's see. Alright, I just got to location 5, and I didn't film in the last one. Again, sorry. Please forgive me. But it was a really small machine. It was a 3 wide, and I only pulled like this much. So, hopefully this one is better. Alright, I didn't film in there either. Sorry. Here's the stack. I just got to location 6. Alright, I filmed a little bit in that location. Here is what the money looks like. Now we're heading to the last location of the day. Alright, we're on our way home right now. Well, I am on my way home right now. Hit up all 7 locations. Hopefully, I think we broke $300. Comment your guesses down below. If I were to guess, I think we made 350, about 350, 370 range. But comment your guesses down below. You guys when I get home and we'll count up the money. Alright, so I just got to Alyssa's house and now it's time to count up all the money. Here's the baggies right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means we went to 7 locations and the bag is secured. Alright, location number 1 did $71.35 after 2 weeks. Alright, location number 2 made $57.20 after 2 weeks. Location number 3 did $47.75. Location number 4 did $36.75 after 3 weeks. Alright, location number 5 did $71.80 after 2 weeks. Alright, location number 6 did $38.25 after 2 weeks.
Sorry.
And the last location, aka the best location, made $95.60 after 2.5 weeks, right before Christmas break. So now, me and Alyssa are gonna add up all this money right here. Take a guess. Comment your guesses right now. I'll wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're gonna count it up and get you guys the totals. Today's collection off of 7 machines right here, we made $416.70. Again, most of these were 2-week collections. I think 1 or 2 of them was a 3-week collection. Now let's divide that by 7 to get the average. $60 average, another really high average, which is awesome. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I know I didn't get to really film inside of the locations a whole lot, but I know what really you guys want to see is the money. So there's the money, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. We're almost 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.